What's going on, guys? I want to make a quick video about RainMan Ray. Check this little guy out first. Made by Koken, 3/8 drive. Fine. I'm going to have a video coming out on this soon. Anyway, back to what we were talking about. The reason I brought this up is because I keep it in my hand as a fidget tool. I love this thing. Some of you came to the channel when Ray broke the news about what was going on with his shop and the last place that he worked, and that he was parting ways with them. They were letting him go, whatever you will. He got fired, and some of you got upset with me because there was a couple of you that were like, "Oh, you guys are just doing this for views. You knew longer and you didn't tell anybody. Blah 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 blah." It's not my business to put out his personal business. I'm not his keeper. I don't make the calls on what goes on with his channel, what goes on in his personal life. I'm his friend, and I'll support him in anything that he goes through and be there for him anytime he needs me. But it's not my job to tell you guys what's going on in his personal life. That's up to him to tell you. So a few of you got extremely emotional because I didn't come bring you the news first when I found out right away. He confided in a handful of people what was going on that he trusted to keep confidential. He wanted to be the one that tells you guys what's going on in his life, which that's how it should be. Some of you got mad that I didn't tell you ahead of time. Anyway, it makes no sense to me. What I do want to bring across to you is he's okay. He's fine. He's a smart man. He's always got an ace or a backup plan, ace in the pocket or a backup plan. Trust me. Us guys that have been in this field for a number of years, we're not going to go without. And if you didn't know, Ray actually posted a video this morning and he finally showed you guys the new shop. It's a nice shop, nice floors, nice storage area. And he pulled the trigger on it, and he went with it. Now he's got his own place where he can do his own business, and people not telling him what to do or being over him and, being jealous because of his channel or whatever it may be. He gets to do his own thing now. That's ultimately what most people want, is to be their own boss, not having somebody else boss them around and tell them what to do. They control their content flow, their workflow, how they deal with situations, and that's just kind of how it is. So I wanted to kind of shed some light on that situation. Before I left the SEMA, there was a bunch of people that were like, that unsubscribed from my channel because I didn't go out there and put out his business first. But that's not my job to do that. He wanted it to be personally between him and you guys, not me. Some of you have some kind of weird expectation that you want an update on his life coming from somebody else before he's ready to give the update. Doesn't make any sense. But if you guys wouldn't be so kind to check out the video this morning so you can have the update on what's going on in his life. He's got his own shop now, and he takes you through that and shows you him coming back from SEMA and taking you to his new place so you can see it. It's what I would have done too. I just got back this morning. He got back a day earlier than me. And it's time for me to wind down, man. I'm sore. I blew out my ACL and stuff like that. And I've just been kind of taking it easy all morning. Swelling and stuff is going down. I'm going to have to get to a doctor next week. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm going to link his video in the comment section. Probably going to even use his screenshot. Why not, right? That's what you guys are looking for. You want me to use his stuff and his content. Some of you anyway. I love y'all. No matter what, I still love y'all. But sometimes you guys can be there's a few of you that can be a real pain in the butt. But I still love you anyway. Link to Ray's video down in the comment section. And I might even use his thumbnail. Who knows? But go check out his video so you don't have to keep hounding me about what's going on in his life. You'll see it for yourself. Y'all take care.